Hi guys, welcome to the What's Up Wednesday video. It's me, Barb, in my ugly sweater for the day. Yes, I borrowed this from a friend. It's a little large, but ugly, right? Okay, so it's festive, Barb, today doing your weekly updates for you. Oh, I should have a Santa hat on, but I don't, so we'll just have to do something else. Okay, so very exciting news. Our own Dina has reached her $1 million in sales. So yay! I'm so excited for her. She's been a demonstrator for 20 years. And so it's been a long time coming. So congratulations to you, Dina. We are so very, very excited for you. Okay. Now I'm just so happy. I can't stop smiling. It's so exciting. Okay, sorry. Business. Back to business. All right. So new this week in the weekly updates, they are going to be having some training calls. I guess we're going to call them training calls. They're actually calling them webinars. They're going to be having some training webinars, and you're going to have to go to the demonstrator website in order to sign up for those calls. They will have replays of them, so if you can't listen to them live, you can listen to them later. There are a number of demonstrators from around the world that are going to be doing these webinars. And so, like I said, you just need to go to the website, choose some that you would like to listen to, and then register for them on the website. There is also a top recruiting tips file, and I'm going to have that uploaded to all 3 groups so that you guys can actually check that out while we're getting ready for celebration, because celebration is the best time to recruit people. Not only do people get extra money in their starter kits, they actually get $175 worth of product for 99 bucks. That is a screaming deal. Who wouldn't want to join Stampin' Up getting $175 for $99? And they only have to pay tax if there's tax in their area. So it's a great deal. Literally everybody should sign up during celebration because it is such an amazing deal. Also, we do have the Craft and Carry tote that is available. Well, it's available now for demonstrators to pre-order. We can order it so we can have one to show our potential recruits. I believe it's $50, $49, something like that. Then when the new recruits can start signing up during celebration in early January 3rd, I believe it is, they can add that tote to their starter kit for only $30. And it's a gorgeous tote. I don't have it, but I've seen it at On Stage like a lot of you have, and it's amazing. So that's going to be a great deal. Now, for us to recruit people, we also get some benefits. If we recruit just one person during celebration, we get a $25 product credit. And so that's $25 towards anything you want. If you can get 2 people to sign up under you during celebration, you get another product credit worth $100. So to recruit 2 people, you get $125 yourself. That's just free money for you to spend on whatever Stampin' Up you would like to get. So that is amazing. Also during celebration, it's the best time to really try to sell, because we also get rewards for sales. So they start out at 500 CSV. If you sell $500, you'll get a $20 product credit. $1,000 it's $25, $2,000 it's $40, and $3,000 it's $50. Now those are cumulative. So if you sell $2,000 during the celebration period, which is January 3rd to March 31st, you're going to get $85. So if you can get $2,000 in sales, 2 recruits, that's like $210 in free product that you're going to get. And if I remember correctly, we can use those to purchase things out of the new catalog when it becomes available in May for pre-order. So yes. So celebration is coming. You guys work it hard. Start advertising things now. Schedule some classes. Have an open house. That's the best way to get people to see your stuff and to want to place orders, because when they actually see it and touch it and feel it, then they obviously want to use it. So keep that in mind as you're going along, that celebration is coming and we need to get ready for it. We also have another On Stage event coming up in April. Now the live event is going to be in Auckland, New Zealand. So if you need a vacation, I'm sure New Zealand is a gorgeous place to visit. I've never been there, but I heard it's amazing. You could go to Auckland for On Stage Live. Now, if you can't go to Auckland, there are going to be some local events around the country, And those are listed on the demonstrator website under the weekly updates. So you can check that out there. Stampin' Up! Has just announced that they're going to have a beginner customer brochure available in the North American markets beginning January 3rd. And they're testing it out through June 3rd. So for those 6 months, we're going to have a brochure that's basically just showcasing our kits for beginner stampers, because a lot of times beginning stampers, they don't know what to buy. They don't know what to do. And so if they have an all-inclusive kit, that's the perfect thing for them, because everything they need is right there in the kit, maybe without some scissors. So those are great. So those are going to be available. It'll be online. And I also believe, at least I believe it's going to be online. Yes, and then we can also order some, so we can hand them out to people that we see face-to-face beginning January 3rd. We still have a few branded items left over from on stage. One of them is the bag. I'm going to grab mine. Okay, I'm actually not going to grab it because it's upstairs in my bedroom and I don't want to go all the way up there. But it's super cool and you can check it out online. That, along with, I believe, the name badge holder is also available. And then we do have, the plastic bags, catalogs, the paper pumpkin block. But you can check out all those things by going to the weekly updates on the Stampin' Up! Website and clicking on the branded items section of the weekly updates. The latest issue of Stampin' Success is online. I believe I just got mine in the mail yesterday. So if you haven't got yours in the mail, they're coming. Otherwise, you can check them out online. You can find those in the weekly updates, the link to that in the weekly updates also, or you can find it under Stampin' University on the website. The cost calculator has been updated, and this is a great little tool for when you're doing events to make sure you're not blowing your budget. So you can check that out online. You can click on it. It'll tell you how much a piece of cardstock is, how much an envelope is, how much, 12 inches of ribbon, just all those different kinds of things. It will tell you what your cost is, so you can kind of keep track of that and you'll know, so you can stay profitable. Because if you're doing events, you don't want to be unprofitable. That is bad for business, and you won't be in business for very long. So make sure you're profitable. Use that cost calculator. It's a very handy tool. Demonstrator support is going to be having different hours during the Christmas week next week. So starting on December 24th, Christmas Eve, they're going to be open 7 to noon. This is all Mountain times, all Stampin' Up! Times. Christmas Day, obviously they're closed. The 26th through the 28th and the 31st, they are open from 8:30 to 5. The 1st, they're closed. And then January 2nd, all hours return to normal, which is, I believe, 7 to 7, Monday through Friday, Mountain Standard Time, Stampin' Up! Time. The Succeed Weekly has gone out. It's got some really fun project ideas for the lovely lattice celebration item that we can earn for free. And keep in mind that you can still earn those things for free right now when you're placing your own demonstrator orders. Anytime your order is at least $50, you can add a celebration item to that. So if you're ordering on a demonstrator order type, you can get celebration items all the way through, from now till the end of March, we can do that. But beginning on January 3rd, then the customers can also take advantage of celebration. So it's very important to really start marketing that now, letting people know that it's coming, scheduling your events, that kind of thing. But there's also a really fine balance between marketing it too hard, preventing people from spending their money with you now, and waiting, and not marketing it at all. So you definitely want to give some teasers here and there, but don't solely focus on occasions, catalog items, and celebration items, because we still have holiday catalog items that are available on the year-end closeout. We've just got the clearance rack updated. So there are things people can buy from you now, which is very important, because we want people spending their money all the time. You don't want people hoarding their money, waiting until January to order when they could be ordering from you now. So just keep that in mind. All right, the hashtag simple stamping is still a thing. So if you're creating projects, you're posting them on Instagram, Facebook, please put the hashtag simple stamping with your post, providing it is a simple stamped item. And Stampin' Up's going to pick some random people to win by searching for that hashtag. So that's pretty exciting. Okay, I think that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're on my team, stay tuned for a little challenge at the end of the video. Bye, guys.